I thought I would get some new brushes for Lexi because my brushes are contaminated. It's an expensive ass video for your face, Lexi. Hi, Lexi.
I came to get a lipstick.
Oh, so what I was thinking, you're going out to dinner tonight. I just thought maybe I would do the whole look.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's awkward. Can you show me some of your work?
You requested my portfolio.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You
like,
have one?
any good makeup artist like has a portfolio. You know?
You're a makeup artist? How did I not know this? Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's the work.
You did James Charles's makeup?
Yeah. Yeah.
So weird he didn't give you like credit.
That happens a lot to the makeup
I
community.
mean, it's amazing.
Thank you.
You know what, Ava? Do what you want to do.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. You trust me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get into it. So we've got the lovely makeup set up for you.
Wow, that's a lot of makeup, Ava.
Wait, how much makeup do you have?
Like
How much?
a fourth of this?
Shut up, no way.
Yeah.
Really?
I'm a failed YouTuber. I don't get PR packages.
Oh. If I do really good, you have to like post it to Instagram and then like tag my new Instagram account, MyLifeAsEva MUA.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to charge like 20K for that.
Yeah, well, it's just I'm trying to get like followers on that account so people like trust that that this really is my work.
You're just gonna have to email my managers about it.
But I thought we were friends.
I'll take off 5K. It'll be
Can I
15K.
get the story tag? So I also have this look.
That's like the epitome of like early 2000s when like no one knew what to do, so they just like took their finger and shoved like silver eyeshadow on their eye.
First of all, this was mid 2000s. This was a solid 2012.
You know what? I'll take the weird heart makeup over that.
I could go up to the eyebrows with the silver and then like
No.
really connect the silver
I
with the
really
brows.
don't want that.
And then like red lipstick. How about like a natural glam?
That sounds good.
Okay, cool.
That sounds good.
Let's get started. Okay, so I have these brushes.
Ava, those are pretty dirty.
Well, Hanley likes them. She likes
Oh, Ava, you can't put that on my face.
Fine, we'll use the new ones. So I was hoping that you wouldn't need them so that I could use them.
Wow.
$50 worth of makeup brushes. So trust me that this look is gonna be top dollar.
It's like the most money anyone spent on me in a long time.
All right, I'm gonna change my tampon.
What?
Make yourself comfy. You got everything you need. Make yourself at home.
Oh no. Come here. I did Hanale's makeup.
Hanley, I've never seen you look so beautiful. Oh no, what have you done? Hanley, do you like it? Oh, I guess she likes it. Well, looks like we're gonna have to use some Coastal Citizen. Get your morning water, put it on your bamboo terry rail. Hanley, you sweet angel. You didn't deserve any of this.
Look at it coming right off.
Okay, before and after.
The morning water takes it right off in a very gentle, natural, soothing way.
So soothing, even dogs fall asleep while using it.
Buy it for clear skin.
Run free, we'll take care of the rest later, you stinky princess. Just relax.
Ow! That hurt!
That's part of my process. Are you being a difficult client?
Don't do it again.
Are you being a difficult client?
You're being a difficult makeup
I
artist.
will talk shit about you for the rest of my career.
Okay, the magic is about to begin.
Why are you putting sunscreen on me? The sun's going down.
I don't want you to burn it and make it just shut up, it's good. We typically don't work with clients of your skin tone. Maybe if you're just like a little bit darker, things would make this easier.
I haven't been in the sun in months.
Sometimes it'd be like that. Okay, we're starting off like better, right?
I think this is too pale.
Lexi, I think you need to like chill out with that mirror. It's disrespecting my work and it's making me feel like you don't trust me as an artist.
I don't. I have anxiety. Is my face supposed to be burning?
Yeah, that's really normal.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, there we go.
Ava!
What?
Ava! And now I'm a cake, ready to bake at 350 for 25 minutes.
If you ever feel like you want something different or you want something more, don't hesitate to let me know.
I want something different.
Well, too bad.
How do you do your makeup in the mornings? Because this is really making me question something.
Look up. I do a
Ava! When you were buying brushes, why didn't you buy my foundation color?
I thought about it, but I thought I would have something. Scoop. Trust me, like this is really gonna look good. I wouldn't let you leave if you didn't look like A+, you know? We're gonna contour.
This could go very wrong.
I'm gonna do my contouring technique on you,
I look like a butt.
but you're gonna be like a really cute butt. You're gonna be a Brazilian butt
Be a
lift.
cute butt.
Yeah. Don't you worry. We're gonna blend her out.
I've given up hope. I've been stranded here for 6.5 hours. She's coming back. You're dripping on me.
Oh,
This really is an ombre look.
stop looking in the mirror.
I can't help it. I'm so concerned. At what part am I gonna start looking good?
You look good now. Now we're going to bake the under eyes. This is my favorite part.
Can you bake some gluten-free cookies instead?
We don't have that in the pay grade. Ready for the baking. Look up. Yeah. That's how we do it here in the studio.
In Ava's apartment.
This is the studio. I only work in professional environments. This is not my house.
Ava, this feels like a lot.
It's looking great. Yeah, that's looking real nice. All right, let's brush through these beautiful brows. Have you ever thought about plucking them? Oh. We here at the studio have a brow specialist. If you would like me to refer you, she's the best. She does all the celebrities' eyebrows. If you did want your eyebrows done, she is in the studio.
Okay, bring her out.
Usually, okay.
I'd like to see her.
You wanted your brows done?
Can I talk to Ava though?
No. She's on her lunch break. You got
so
lovely brows, dear.
I've never seen you and Ava in the same room.
It's gonna be $400.
You know, I've changed my mind.
Now, before you change your mind, I have done many a celebrity brow. You know Cara Delevingne?
Nope, never heard of her.
That's my work. Selena Gomez?
Nope.
That's my work circa 2003. After that, she went to someone else. You're looking like my next muse.
Wow.
Not for just $400.
Ava, do you need money? If you're struggling right now, like, you could have just asked me. Is AdSense low this month?
How could you say that? That was so weird. Did you get your brows done?
Yeah, this like hideous woman came in.
Oh. Yeah, anyway.
Okay. So I look like a clown.
Okay, so the shadow isn't going on as strongly as I wanted it to. I am going to go in with a color. Yeah, there's the color. Not that fallout. No. No. Don't look. It's the brush, it's really not me.
Then just stop.
I wouldn't be surprised if you didn't want to wash your face for a couple days, just to like keep the look, you know?
Yeah.
Think about it this way. If you die in this makeup look, you will be so hot for like the rest of your time.
Afterlife.
Yeah. I really tried.
I feel like you are actually trying to do a good
I
job,
am.
and that's the alarming part. I can feel this going on incorrectly. What the fuck are you doing?
I'm going. Oh, you blinked.
It was already horrible.
Oh no.
What have you done to me?
I knew I should have gone with a natural look. Oh God.
Do I look pretty?
Yeah. Oh, okay, so whenever you need red carpet looks for the future, you know who to call. I'm right down the street. I do work for any form of payment. I accept Cash App, Venmo, food. Oh, you blinked.
I don't believe anything you say anymore.
Okay, now like rub.
I feel like you owe me dinner.
Setting spray to last the night.
Yeah, because we want this to last.
You want your hair done too, sweetie?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Ava,
Yeah.
gonna look in the mirror now.
Yeah.
Ava! What the f is this?
I really can try.
Bruh.
This skin is
It's
actually
good. It's good. What's wrong?
the skin is actually not that bad.
It's not.
But you went heavy with the nose contour and then the eyes. I don't know what happened there. You did use the silver eyeshadow, which I thought we agreed we weren't gonna do. And then not sure what happened here.
I gave you free lip injections.
Overall, I'd rate this look a 3 out of 10.
Okay.
And whoever gave you a makeup license should be in a prison right
Oh,
now.
I don't have a license. Well, thank you for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah, I'll make sure to post this on Instagram.
Oh yeah, do you mind if I take a couple client pics? Give me like a sexy face, like yeah. And then from the side, yeah. So if you see what I did there with the wing,
I think the aliens can see it from outer space.
I think that looks quite nice.
Bruh.
She said she really thought she was gonna do a good job. And I believed her. Here we are. Does this mean I can leave now? Ava!
Heard you talking shit.
Take off my makeup!
Get out of my house!
primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no.